Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you our new firmware about H32BS. This is H32BS. This new firmware will support you use this switch panel and the judgment by 1 click and 2 click and 3 click and until 6 click. And you can also use the hold down function. Now I will tell you the details. We can see this in our form that 1.42. This version, we have added this switch triangle output function that will have the option of disable and the enable. And we can see this. If you use enable, I can open this website of the Ethernet setting, and you will find this option is added in this new firmware. And if you choose this enable, and you will use this switch button like this, turn on relay and turn off relay. That means the input, this is SW means switch, and the country is output. I have used this 4 switch panel. Have connected these 2 lines with this 15 and 16 channel of the input of the switch. So I can use this 4 switch country the 15 channel and the 16 channel. This means we have used this input and triangle the output. But if you want you input information feedback to your Raspberry Pi or Node-RED or Home Assistant, you can do many different things, not controlling the output directly. So this new firmware will have this option to unlink, just cancel the input and control the output. So we can see if I click this disable, and when I press the save and restart the controller, then I press this button, this output will not change the state, but this will trickle the information feedback to our computer by MQTT or by TCP. I can log in again, and now you can see this is disabled. So I can press the button. You can see I can press the button now, and this 15 and 16 relay is not changed. But this time we'll have the feedback information. Now we can see, now I work the Ethernet as the TCP server work mode. And also it can feedback by MQTT. The first step we will introduce you the TCP server. Then I can open web network debug toy. This is my IP, the H32BS IP, and this is the part. So this is the part. This controller is work at a server, and this is a work as a client. And now the information is blank. But when I press the button, you can see I press the button. This is the feedback. You can see this is the feedback. This is fixed, we never changed. Just you can see the 16 and the 0. That means I have pressed the 16 channel of the switch. And after I press the key and the relay state is 0, that means off. This just reads the relay state. So you can see our form, and you can see this is the feedback of the protocol. This X means the channel button number, and this Y means the relay's last state, the nearest state. So if we can use the web browser, if you can see, I can control the 16 channel like this. I can turn on and turn off. Now we're back to the network toy, and this time you can see I can press this button again. This is the feedback. You can see this become 1. That means the relay is on. So this just reads the relay state and the feedback to your software. And this is the channel number. And if I press this button, this is feedback 15. You can see this is 15, and now the state is 0. 0 means off. This relay is off. So if I can turn on this 15, the 15 is on, And now I can press this button of 15 channel. You can see I press, and this feedback is 1. That means on. So this will feedback the which switch have pressed, and after the switch is pressed, last state of the relay output. So this is work by the TCP server and feedback the information for your integration to third-party software. Now I can introduce you MQTT. We can change the work mode to MQTT, and this is server IP because my mosquito have running. This mosquito have running in my computer. Just to take a demo, you can input for your own card server or MQTT broker IP address. So this is my computer's IP, and this is the port, and this is MQTT username and the password just set by yourself, and we can press save. And we use the web browser and turn off. And now we can see the MQTT output. How to use the MQTT? Just these options. You will see the feedback of this format. This is JSON format. And now we can open this MQTT box. This is the debug tool of MQTT. We have subscriber the topic. This is this ID of H32BS controller topic, and the subscriber. You can see all relay state and input is feedback. And now you can see I press this button like this. I can press this button. You can see I press one time. This is feedback. SW15 on is 1. That means the channel 15 switch button is pressed, and the on of the number is 1. That means a single click. I just click one time. If I press twice, this is twice. You can see the feedback is 2. And if I can press 3 times, and you can see the feedback is 3. And also I can press 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the feedback is 4. And also 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This feedback is 5. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see feedback 6. And the max number is 6. If I press 7, I press 8, I press 9, I press many times, that will also feedback is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it also will have feedback the 6. This is last time the 6, and this is now the 6. So this can judgment this information. You can do some different automation. And also you can see I can hold on the button. You can see I can hold on, but not release my finger. And you can see the feedback is 99. That means this channel 15 switch is hold on. Just hold on more than 3 seconds will trigger this hold on message. You can see I can hold on again. If I hold on, never release my finger, as it will just feedback one time of the 99. So this we can confirm this button have hold on. So we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 click work mode and hold on the work mode for one button. So this information can feedback to a home assistant or many third software platform. You can just, according to this different information, you can do many automation or many things for yourself. So this is how to use this one button. Every button will feedback the different message. So you can see this is 16 channel. I can press one time, and you can see this is feedback the 16 channel. And double click, and this is 16 channel, is double click. Now we have used this wall switch button of this 1 to until 32, and this is all on and all off button. Also, we can short for this. This all on and all off will feedback different message. You can see I can short for this. This means the 33 is on, just pressed, and I release my hand. This 33 is off. So this 33, you can see this web page, and this is all off. This is all off. All off means the 33. And if you short for this all on, this hole, you can see I short, and this is 34. 34 is on. That is 1. So I can release. That will be 0. That means off. So 34 means the all on. Pressed will be feedback 1, and released will feedback 0. That is different from switch 1 to switch 32. This is 2 button is different. When you press and release, will have different state, just 0 and 1. Okay, this is how to use the switch panel and with this new function with the MQTT. Thanks for watching.